All right, gonna demonstrate the incorrect and correct way to open a can using a Swiss Army knife can opener. I've seen far too many videos on YouTube where people are doing this and just cracking it down as they go, and they leave this chewed up mess as they go around. Proper way to do it, this lip right here should catch underneath this lip right here. So that's kind of where you start, is making sure that's lined up. And you go this way around. You go counterclockwise. This knife will cut into it as you go. So as long as it hooks in, you're gonna press down, move forward, press down. You keep doing that, you're gonna get into a pretty good rhythm. Just chopping through this thing. You can go all the way to the end if you want, or you can leave it there so you can pop it out. But take it out. Ta-da! Look at that. Nice. This is pea soup, by the way. Nice, even can opening. There you go. Swiss Army knife. Opened up a can. No time flat.